Hey y'all, how's it going? Sorry I haven't posted lately on YouTube or Facebook from the Griddle. As you can see, we're actually getting rain. Rain, real actual rain. I can't remember the last time it rained. But now we're getting it. So there'll be no cooking today either. But we will. And also, Facebook's not letting me post anything through the computer. I can do it through the phone, but I prefer doing it through the computer, and it's easier, and I'm old, so it's much easier to do it on the computer on the tiny little phone screen. But yeah, rain. I had to go into the desert to see rain. Seriously, in Arizona, while I was in the desert, it rained, and none here. But now, rain, and my plants are so happy, and the flowers are happy, and the neighbors' grapevines are going to be happy, and everything's going to be happy except for my views, because I haven't griddled. But we'll get on it. Honest. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for liking, following, subscribing, sharing, blah, 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 blah. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!